Hey, let's do some DIY nails because these things are busted. What y'all know about them btartbox X-coat tips? This pink hand rest is from Amazon, and let's start with these cuticles, child. I'm using Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover, and it's super quick and easy to use. I decided to use this orange wood stick today, but I do actually have a cuticle remover tool. I love how this product softens them and makes them easier to remove. Alright, so I'm just about done, so I'm going to take one of these pink nail wipes that I got from Amazon and wet it with water just to remove the cuticle remover from around my nails. Alright, so the key to long-lasting nails is not skipping your nail prep, so I'm going in with this Modelone's nail file to file my nails. This step actually makes way for a better nail application. By the way, there is no need to be super rough because you'll damage your nails. And I'm actually going in and shaping the bottom of my nails too. Alright, so I'm going to take an alcohol pad to remove the dust from my nails. Alright, it's time to get my nails out and choose my correct sizes. And I'm telling you, these are so thick and such good quality. They don't come in pink yet, but the brown is fine for me. I'm just showing you the different patterns that you can choose from. Y'all, it took me a little time to edit this, but this set actually lasted me over 4 weeks. They come in so many different sizes, so it don't matter if you have big hands or little hands, super tiny hands. There's a size for all of your nails. Today, I'm using my Modelone's Nail Prep Dehydrator and 4-in-1 nail glue. It lasts super long. This nail dehydrator right here is the truth. It is gel nail glue and it does have to be cured, and it does fully cure even though these nails are not clear. The btartbox gel nail glue works great too. I take my time and I just slide the full tip onto the top of my nail and then just cure for at least 20 seconds. Once I have all the nails applied on one hand, I take my whole hand and set it under a full lamp for 1 minute. Now I like to go in with my file and file the little nubs at the end down. I like to make them good and straight so it looks more professional. Because otherwise it's giving press on and we don't want that. I'll have the products linked in my YouTube video description. You'll need the btartbox builder gel and top coat to keep them shaped right and from chipping. First, I apply a layer of the builder gel and allow it to cure for 90 seconds. I like to go back and make sure it's even. Okay, curing for 90 seconds. Now don't forget to remove the sticky layer with the alcohol pad. Alright y'all, let's apply the top coat. Make sure you get the tips too. It actually helps prevent peeling. Okay, curing top coat for 60 seconds and finishing up with this Modelone's cuticle oil. Y'all, these eat every time. Now here is the finished look. These are easy too. Save your coins and do your own nails, you heard me? They're not flimsy and come with a lot of nails. Alright, y'all.